Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. SDREAM is back. It is yours. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding SDREAM UR is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. SDREAM UR is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.
Cyrusher XF690, all-terrain full suspension electric fat bike. It has high-quality 17-inch aluminum frame fitted with the oil spring suspension fork with lockout and 26-inch wheels. A powerful 500-watt brushless motor gives you enough dynamics for any style of ride. It has 3 working modes. In a twist throttle mode, the bike can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour while your legs are resting. Power Assisted mode has 5 different speeds, which gives you enough comfort for long-distance trips up to 100 kilometers of range. 7-speed Shimano gear shifting system makes it smooth and easy to ride in a pedal-only mode without the motor involved. The XF690 is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes that help you tackle the different terrains. Safety Brakes feature is switching off the motor each time you press the brake lever. With the Cyrusher XF690, riding uphill is no longer a problem. The powerful motor will help you lift up to 35 degrees with ease. Its fat tires can easily pass through any obstacles, from small branches to even riding up the stairs. The bike has a foldable frame with a hidden replaceable battery. Folded bike can be transported in the trunk. It also has a bright LED headlight powered by the main battery. Cyrusher XF690 beautifully combines power, versatility, and comfort that pairs perfectly to the rider in any situation.
What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with FIIDO. Imagine there are no limitations at all, except gravity. The FIIDO electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system. which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slow you down. One charge let you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes. FIIDO, sky the limit.